Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started for today. What I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So yeah, 1 second here as I tell the team members we're on live. And yes, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before tuning into the live stream. All right, so let's see. Gonna pull up the other chat here. And then, yeah, we're gonna get started pretty much. All right, pull that up there. Cool. And then, one second. All right, yep, cool. And then, yeah, we're gonna tell the team members we're on live. Let's go ahead and back that part up a bit there. Let's see. TikTok live. Now that's everything. All right, cool. Yeah, we're on live. Yo, good morning, Richard. What's up? Good to see you. All right, so as of right now, we'll go over the keys first. Obviously, I know. Let's see. So I do want to go to a. Yeah, let's start on the keys first, actually, and then we'll go ahead and go to these other stocks, other trades that I'm looking for. QQQ. LAC, okay, got you, bro. No worries. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of literally all of this, and let's see what we have here. So I will be honest, the Qs here looks like a big hot mess right now. So at least on this 1 hour. So I do want to go down to a possible lower time frame, just so we could see some structure. So let's see. Let's go down to maybe a 45-minute, 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we have anything here. All right. I will be honest. QQ doesn't really have the craziest setup from what I can see. 1 second here. So I mean, there is a box here that I can easily see that we ended up creating. Nice top wall here, nice bottom wall here. It's just not really enough for me to be like, oh, I definitely would love to take it. Maybe I'll take some smalls. We'll have to see. 595, 593. Actually, it isn't too bad though. So, yo, Sky Guy, good to see you, bro. HV, what's up, man? Coin, okay, cool. We'll go over that. How do you feel about the government? Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of the news. Personally, that's why I only took lottos as of yesterday. So I didn't really take anything heavy. I told the team only lottos today. We'll have a fresh start tomorrow, as in today. But I mean, if there's still a couple plays that I'll be looking at, if we can get them, I'll definitely participate. But we're just gonna have to see. As of right now, I would not touch the Qs, or I'm not going to until we can get under that 595 area. All right, so that is there. That is on the Qs. I do want to see. So we're going to pull up Tesla. We're going to pull up Coin, SMCI, and yeah, we'll go over Nvidia 2, SMCI. Okay. All right, so I will say Coin actually looks pretty decent. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yo, Cooker, what's up? Good to see you. Yo, good morning. Good to see you guys. BM Minar, yep, gotcha, no worries. Hold on, let's go ahead and I do need my notebook. It looks like I will need it. All right, so all right, cool. So for Coin, it doesn't look bad, I will say. So on this 4 hour, so we did this on the 4 hour. Looks like we're right at seller's control. Obviously, if we can get this nice break, we got this empty space which is above us. Yeah, that looks really good actually. So I do want to see if we can get that nice break on that 4 hour or in a lower time frame. Do want to see that empty space there as well. Do you use 30-minute on extended hours? So yes, each time frame I'm using that extended hours. As you can see, instead of the regular trading hours. Regular trading hours, I look at this and I'll be honest, this doesn't look good to me. I can't trade on this. So yes, I use the extended time frame no matter if I'm on a 24-hour, the 15-minute. It's all still going to be that extended time frame. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing on coin. Looks pretty decent. Looks really good. So yeah, just like all these other trades, and I know it, you know, QQQ, Tesla SPY. You can see the Qs yesterday. You can see Tesla, all extended time frame. It's just, for me at least, it gives me a lot more information, and it's a lot easier for me. You see what a couple other members did there on that little play there. See what happened on the keys play yesterday. And yeah, this is all the call outs. I didn't post SPY, but yeah, thanks Lee and your team. I caught QQ up and down, so you can see that little play there. So that's what we're looking for. Extended time frame. It gives me a lot more information, pretty much to basics. And yeah, that's it. You can see thanks Lee, another home run. Wishing you all a blessed day. Boom, you can see, you know, what we do here. And so yeah, we just wait for the setups, and that's pretty much it. Yo, Thriving, what's up, I appreciate you for being here as well. Thanks so much for being here. Really appreciate it. All right, so 1 second here. All right, so that's on the keys. We did coin. I do want to go over Tesla. Let's take a look here. Yo, thanks for the follows. Yo, Queez, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Yo, Sons, thanks for sharing the live stream. All right, so let's see here. Tesla. Actually, Tesla might have something here. We'll have to see as well. Yo, listen, what's up? CRWV, yeah, got you, no worries. So yeah, we'll take a look there as well. 1 second here. I want to see where we are. Okay, so okay. All right, so on Tesla, could end up going up to this 449 again. So yeah, there's that 449 little play that I'm seeing that we could end up tapping into again. Personally, I'm not sure if I want to take this, just because this already kind of happened there. All right, so I do see that. What I can also see is this. And honestly, it doesn't look bad. So I get it. There's a little bit of empty space that we would have to go up into first. Up to that 448. That's what I can see there. And yeah, we'll go over that wall too as well. But, hold on, let's change the song. I don't like this song at all. All right, so Tesla, we get this nice break. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want, which is the middle of the move. So yeah, what I can see is we got this clear gap down here that doesn't look bad to the upside. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. And yes, I'll look at all the comments in a second here, guys and gals. So 1 second here. All right. So yeah, that's just the upside. I get it. You know, if we get another little, you know, breakout side of this top wall here, we could go up to this 449. So that's just what I'm seeing, which looks good, looks decent. Also, we can go and look to this downside here. Personally, there is something. Hold on. 435. 1 second here, guys. If it'll load, that'd be great. So 4 hour, actually 2 hour looks, I think 2 hour looks decent. All right, so same thing here. This is what I like. Yo, Steph, good morning, bro. ETSY, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades, all these stocks here. So, no worries at all, no worries. All right, so as of right now, what I can see here is this. Beautiful top, beautiful bottom wall here. And this is if we do want to drop today. So if we do want to drop, we do have empty space down to this 423. So that doesn't look too bad. Looks really, really good. So that is on Tesla on that 2 hour chart. So nice top, nice bottom wall. We got that empty space that I'm seeing. I mean, yeah, we could end up getting a nice break above this 440, 495, and then targeting into this little empty space play up to this 448. I do like that downside though, but yeah, if we do want to, you know, let's just say if we want to get above, we would have to get above this 445.01 level for that upside. So that's what I'm seeing there. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so now let's keep going here. So basically, moral of the story, empty space. All right, so that is there. Tesla, we got to go over IWM, NVDA. Okay. And yeah, we'll go over SPY too as well. SPY, SMCI. So SMCI, this was one. So we did end up getting a break outside this box, but I only traded this as a lotto. So yeah, no real entries for me. Obviously, unless we can get a nice big push. We got this empty space that is above us. Want a nice stronger close. 48.01. That's what I'm seeing. It still looks good to me. I still like it. Obviously, on this 2 hour, we would have to get above this 48 area for that continuation. But yeah, we shall see how this plays out today. We're hovering right at that wall there. So, want to see if we can get a nice clear break to the upside. All right, so that is there. NVDA, we got to go over. Let's see here. Wolf. Yo, Nate, what's up? Yeah, I got you. All right, so IWM. Let's take a look here. EDA. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I'm seeing a couple good ones today so far. Let's see. So let's go to this 1 hour. Break it down. All right. So IWM. Okay, I got it. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, yeah, same thing here. First thing that I did end up spotting was this empty space, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would be targeting to the upside. And yeah, got a nice little POTTERBOX, or a bigger one for sure. And all that I'm looking at is we can. So yeah, if we can get a nice break above this 241, this is where price is having a hard time getting above. I will be looking for that next resistance up to this 242.80 area. So that's just what I'm looking at. Doesn't look too bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want. So right now for me, I'm not gonna enter into this. Just gonna wait, see if we can get a nice little move out of this. That is what I'm seeing on IWM. All right, and yeah, just like all of our plays, what we ended up calling out, you can see what we did yesterday. Thanks, Lee and your team. Caught QQQ, boom. Crazy when you trust the process. Appreciate all the help. Second real trade. First time trusting the numbers. We'll go over ETSY2 as well. But yeah, you can see also the other trades. QQQ, that was a beautiful entry. Tesla, beautiful entry. Didn't get a chance to post SPY, but you can see what the other members end up doing. So we're looking for that higher time frame play. Took all morning, but we did it. See on that Tesla play there as well. And not just yesterday, you can see the day before that, the day before that, before the after NVIDIA, TTD. You can see what a few of the members ended up doing there. So yeah, there will be times where we have to hold trades. There will be times where I have to stop out and find a re-entry, which is fine. See, thanks Lee, another home run. Wishing you all a blessed day. I'll stay tuned for another opportunity. You can see what a few of the other members did there. And yeah, that's it. So we wait for the trades, we get in, and we get out. All right, so let's see here. All right, so one second. So we did coin already. IWM, NVDA. We didn't do this. We got to do SPY2 as well. So SOFI. You said I missed the Qs yesterday. Robin, what's up? So it's all good, no worries. I mean, the Qs, it was a very decent play. It was basically a one and done. We end up getting in, and yeah, like I said, if you miss one play, that's fine. There's always another opportunity. So yeah, so this was what, the first play of yesterday, right? And then we ended up having Tesla. Tesla decided to show an entry, and then you can also see, hold on, so we have these SPY calls here, if it will load. So this one also end of day gave a nice little entry. So you can see that before there. And then, yes, told the members, please manage trade if in SPY play. You can see we hit that first. Also that final did end up hitting. So yeah, if even if I miss one play, so if I miss a play or a couple plays, that's fine. I'm just gonna wait for another entry because there always will be another one. Yo, Lily, what's up? Thanks for being here. Really appreciate it. SOFI? Okay, no worries. Is it okay to use a 5-minute candle confirmation for entry on a long swing? It really just depends on the setup. If I'm looking for a play, I can have a lower time frame entry. So this was a play. I actually made a video on this too as well. So I'll post this video about what we did on this just yesterday. Obviously this box here, obviously it's irrelevant now since it's not really a play on there anymore. So yeah, we end up getting a nice break above. On that 1 hour, we were targeting up to this 665. Went down to a 15-minute, 10-minute. You could use that as an entry if we break above anything else. And yeah, that's just how we do things here. All right, so I do want to go over SPY here. And yeah, let's go to a 4 hour first, and then we'll break it down. All right, so 4 hour, okay. Don't really see anything there. So yes, we will go down to a lower time frame. So yes, lower time frame here. What am I seeing? What am I looking at? I'll be honest, I don't see anything that I like on the 2 hour. Is there anything that I like on this 1 hour? I can see there may be a little bit of empty space here. Not really anything that I would want to take as of this second. So yes, let's just keep going down to a lower time frame, and let's see if there's anything that I would like. And I will be honest. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't really see anything that I like here on that higher time frame. So the only thing that I do see here is this. So we got a box here, especially if we can close like that. Top, bottom, all there. Personally, is this trade worth it for me? Probably not. I probably won't take this. I get it. There's a nice little small gap here. But I do want to see a little bit more structure in order for me to even want to take a trade on SPY. So that's what I'm seeing there. We got this empty space that's above us though. That's if we can get that break. All right, so we'll take a look. So Chewy, we'll take a look there. Also, we'll go over Wolf too. So yeah, Wolf, NVDA too as well. Yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades here. So we did IWM, ETSY2 as well. Hold on. Okay, perfect. And so yeah, Wolf. All right. Can I check out Netflix, JetBlue? Okay, hold on. NFLX, JetBlue. Okay, we did IWM. So yeah, IWM doesn't look actually half bad. All right, so yo, Kayla, what's up? Walmart, yeah, gotcha, no worries. So yeah, IWM, we did that. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna pull up all these charts here. So we didn't do Wolf, we got to do Chewy, all these other trades here as well. So yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, for today, looking for at least 1 or 2 nice day trading entries, and then a nice swing if we can get it. But yeah, we'll have to see. All right, so on Wolf, let's take a look on this weekly time frame. Okay, so there is a lot of empty space that is above us that I can, easily see. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. So I do see that weekly chart. Let's go to a 24 hour. I do want to look at this to this upside here. Where are we at? We're at this 11:55. Okay. All right, so there is that weekly chart. I will be honest though. So this one's going to look a little bit different, and it's going to be perfectly fine. But yes, This one's going to be a little bit different here. Did you swing anything yesterday? Yeah, I only had lottos though, so I didn't have any real entries. Only had some lotto plays due to the news, but that was pretty much it. So top all, bottom all there. Personally, yes, want to see that 1506 break into this empty space, which looks good. So right now we're at this 1142, so we gotta just wait and relax there. But yeah, I do see that empty space that is there. Q's done me dirty. Oh, did you swing the Q's? Honestly, I haven't swung the Q's in, I don't think I've swung the Q's in a while. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's on Wolf. We'll go back over the Q's too as well. Give me 1 second here. Let's see, where are we at? All right. All right, yeah, the Q's, yeah, I see where we're at. Personally, I really don't see anything that I like there. There is that little gap that I would love though, but yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out. Yeah, so yeah, well, yesterday we only had lottos, so hopefully we get some real entries. Obviously the day trades are going to be the day trades of those as well. So and yeah, we just play the charts. That's it. You know, if one play misses, fine. Well, yesterday I got stopped out of, well, I think it was MGM if I'm not mistaken, and I could care less, because right after that, what ended up happening, QQ had a nice little play there. We smacked that. You can see, shout out to Julius there. You can see also Tesla. We had a nice little play there. So we ended up waiting for these setups, these plays. This one took all morning, but we did it. Boom, that was just yesterday. And yes, that spy play as well, that I did not get a post. And yeah, you can see also the other members. Thanks, Lee, and your team. My name is Lee. But yeah, that's it. We have these trades. Obviously, if I stop out of one trade, I could care less. We could care less because we're looking for that higher time frame picture. So plays like this, I'm looking for entries like that. So yeah, it doesn't matter if we take a L on one trade at all. All right, so 1 second here. All right, so BM&R, I did not check that. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. All right. So Chewy, okay. NVDA, we got to go over LOY. I'm going to pull up that too as well. We got to go over Netflix, ETSY. All right, so I will be honest. LOY, I like it. Maybe I like it a lot. Maybe a little bit too much. So yeah, as of right now, so yes, we got this clear gap down, no consolidation here. This is what I would want to this upside, right? So yeah, Robin, I'm still waiting. I'm still seeing if we can get that 769 break on a 24-hour close, and then yeah, I definitely would like that to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm seeing there. But yeah, that looks really, really good. So you said, oh, I gotta pull up the other chat too as well. I forgot. Okay, cool. Where are those wins? I'm in the Discord. So yeah, if you want to see what we do here, and yeah, this is just in the free chat. You can see, you can go to the gains page and see. And yes, I'm here if my trade wins, my trade loses. You can see in this is the free chat here, and then you can scroll over to the gains page, and you can see pretty much what we do here. So yeah, it's all in the Discord. You get to see what we do. You can even talk to the members, see what we do here as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we got to go over Wolf 2 as well, right? So I didn't go over Wolf, did I? Or did I? I think I... Okay, actually we did go over Wolf. Okay. All right, so ETSY. Okay, yeah, I do remember doing this. We did this on a 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay, different Wolf. Okay, cool. we'll take a look there. I got you. All right, so ETSY. So what? A member did end up catching this. So I think it was a new member too. So crazy when you trust the process. Appreciate all your help. Second real trade. Obviously, yeah, we had a little box there we broke under. Now that all that I'm seeing is we got another box, another area of consolidation. So I did this just yesterday. So right now we're floating inside of this box. We're going back and forth inside of this empty space, or in this consolidation. So I do want to see if we can break outside of this 67.65. So this is where price is having a hard time getting above. And all that I'm looking for is a nice break and kind of close above this top wall. And then, yeah, I would love to see this upside movement there. So that's just what I'm seeing. That's what I'm liking there as well. All right. Will you share the LO? Yeah, I got. So yeah, Robin, I would definitely will. So if I don't share it inside of the VIP chat, just you can spam me. It's cool because I'm waiting on that same trade too. So yeah, it's okay to spam me on that one. And also, if you are inside of the VIP Discord, I am adding a new channel in there. It's going to be pre-recorded videos and private recordings. So I'm working on a lot of entries, exit videos, a whole bunch of other things to help, you know, the members too as well. So yeah, a lot of updates that will be coming inside of the Discord. All right, so anyways, NFLX, let's take a look here. So what, I think on this weekly chart, you guys wanted me to look at? Oh, wow, okay. So we'll go over this and Chewy. We went over ETSY. NVIS, NVDA, we got to go over that too as well. All right, so as of right now, what I can see here is this. And I will be completely honest. I mean, yeah, we got the empty space, right? So it looks pretty good, you know. Nice little gap up that I wouldn't mind taking to this downside here. I will be honest, this is not going to be the best bottom wall. So I personally would like a little bit more structure in order for us to take this to the downside. So, but yeah, if we can get a nice little clean break on this 1,157, we do have that empty space that is under us. So do want to see if we can get that nice little play as well. So that's on the weekly chart. It looks like, yeah, we're very close to it. We're just going to have to see how that's going to want to play out. All right. So, yo, Lime, what's up? JetBlue, yep, got you. My bad. So yeah, if you did end up sending a request and I did not get to it, I'm not ignoring you. So my bad on that. So JetBlue, we did that. Chewy. All right. So think about Chewy, right? So we did this on a 1 hour, 2 hour. So let's get off this 8 hour chart. So as of right now, it looks like this final TP may end up being hit. And right, and I'll be honest, I'm done with this play, right? We ended up doing very amazing on this. Hold on, let's get rid of this. Honestly, that final TP of mine is still that 41.25. But yeah, this was a play from what, 2-3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. We just had a very hard time getting there. So the play worked out great. We did amazing on it. It just took its beautiful time. So I want to see. So yeah, Chewy, you can see the before there. My final is 41.25. As of this second, we're at this 40.23. So yeah, we'll go over it. I do want to see that 41.25 still being hit. So it made that full way there, right? So this before, the aftermath. So this is when we hit that first TP. After we hit that imbalance, that's when we started going down. Obviously, you know, the imbalance is very important, but yeah, you can see what we did there. Chewy, it was a very beautiful trade. That's for sure. See Chewy there. Probably can't even see it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we did there. Nice, beautiful trade. If we can get this continuation, 1 second here. I gotta turn this back on. Hold on, 1 second. I don't know why my PC doesn't work. All right, anyways, we'll turn it. We'll keep on going. All right, so yeah, Chewy, looks like we got another box that is being established. If we get a nice little break above this 40, 49, I do want to see if we can possibly finish that little play to the upside. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Doesn't look too bad. All right, all right. So AMZ and Neo Francisco, what's up, bro? I got you, man. Can you imagine if we helped this? Yeah, it would have been amazing. Personally, I should have just got more time for sure. But yeah, I was definitely satisfied as soon as that play ended up hitting though. All right, so that is on Chewy. That looks really, really good if we can get that nice break up to that 41.25 area. So is there a Tesla for NFLX? Honestly, I don't think so. I may be wrong on that, so I can't. So I would have to either ask Glock or look at it myself. All right, so JetBlue, we got to go over WMT. So ETSY, we did that. We got to go over. Hold on. Let's see. So for ETSY, is it possible to use a ETSY, since we're already on it? So I would love a 30-minute. I would love a 1 hour, 15-minute. Nothing stopping me. If I took a 10-minute, I would try it above the 67.88, and then 5-minute we could end up same thing above that 67.94. So that's just what I'm seeing there. All right, so NBIS, we got to go over this too. JetBlue, Walmart. Let's take a look at all these trades here. I don't know why my PC doesn't want to load, so no worries. All right, so on JetBlue, let's take a look. So yes, this is the weekly chart. Honestly, I do see something on the weekly, but let's go to a lower time frame. Yeah, so that's correct. So Tesla, so TSLO is that, so NVIDIA, okay, cool. All right, so JetBlue, actually, JetBlue, that doesn't look, terrible. I did see that weekly to the upside. I understand what we had there. I'm also seeing that, yeah, we got a nice little POTTERBOX, a nice little area of consolidation. Yeah, that's some nice points of contact. We got at least 3. And yes, right under us, as you can see, we do have this empty space that looks really good. So if we can get this little trade, nice little 24-hour candle close, looks good. I will be honest, I do like how we gapped under, so I do like how we opened underneath our wall there. If we can get this continuation, that's what I'm seeing. So yeah, clear gap up, no consolidation. Get that nice break. We got that empty space under us. All right, so WMT, NVDA, NBIS, we'll take a look at those two as well. So yes, each trade exactly the same. We don't change anything. So whether if it's, and I know these boxes were overlapping. He said, "Put Bro is about to hit us with the." Bro, that's crazy. I mean, I do like it a lot, but I'll have to check the cons. I'll have to see how the end of the day will bring for that little play. All right, so WMT, we'll take a look here. And yes, guys and gals, yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, whether if you join the free Discord, the VIP Discord, or if you're in my live stream, just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so WMT, okay, I do see, all right, I do see the 24-hour. Let's go to a possible 4-hour. Let's see what we have here. All right, I'm just going to be honest. I like the 24-hour. I don't like the lower time frame, at least for this little play here. And why I'm saying that is because, let's see. And hold on, give me 1 second here. I don't know why my, give me 1 second, I have to fix this. I gotta fix something here, guys. All right, that should work. There we go. We fixed it. We fixed it. All right. All right. ALK. Okay. Hey, handsome. Good morning. Yo, what's up, Chris? Yeah, I got you with the RIVN. No worries. All right. So WMT. This is what I like here. Got a little box there. A little box here. So I get it. We're not anywhere close to this entry yet, so I would just have to wait on this. We get a nice break under. We got empty space down to this 96.19. If we can get this entry. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want, which doesn't look too bad. Looks really, really good. All right, so that is there. That is on Walmart. I like it. Looks like, yeah, we're not really moving right now. So, you know, if we end up, let's just say if we end up chopping today, obviously I see a couple good plays that I wouldn't mind taking. But, yeah, if we end up chopping, or in other words, in the English language, if we end up staying in this box, I'm not doing anything. So, looking for some nice breaks, looking for some nice little plays that we could potentially get into. So that's their NBIS. Yo, Freedom, what's up? Hopefully this is the one you wanted. All right, yeah, let's take a look here. Yo, Kayla, yeah, no worries. Really appreciate it. AK and Rich, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So let's see here. NBIS. Let me look at a higher time frame really quickly. Yeah, so yeah, Chewy is one of those ones where once we hit that imbalance, we ended up, you know, starting to not do anything. All right, so NBIS doesn't look like there's anything to stop us to the upside. Personally, I'm not chasing into a play like that. What I can see here is this. So we got, yes, some more empty space. We just need some structure, but let's go down to a lower time frame and try to break this thing down. And let's see what we got here. Let's see. So 24-hour. Okay, there's a little 24-hour play that I can easily see. But yeah, let's go to a lower time frame, maybe 2-hour. All right. 103. Okay. So this is what I would do. I get it. There's that higher time frame entry that I'm looking at. So let's break this down. What am I seeing here first? We got this empty space, clear gap there. That's what I'm seeing. That's what looks good to me. Gonna box this thing up. So nice top ball, nice bottom ball here. So we're basically in an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. So yeah, right now we're in range, and I don't give a crap about being in range. And you know, I'm looking for a nice break outside of this range, or maybe I could take some at seller's control. But as of this second, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna wait, see where we are. Since we're in this box, I'm just gonna set my alerts, leave it alone, wait for that 104 break into this empty space here. So that's what I'm seeing there. Also, where's Tesla at really quickly? So Tesla, so yeah, well, some trades are in this box. We're inside of consolidation, so we're looking for a nice little movement. I think we'll get some decent movement today, but we'll see how everything plays out. All right, so we'll go over NVDA. I think someone wanted Wolf. I think that was Queese. Hold on, let's see. So is it this one right here? Or is it this one? So I think it might have been this. All right, so that's also ALK. Okay, perfect, perfect. And yes, give me 1 second, guys and gals. I will be right back. So you guys all know the drill by now. But yeah, we'll go over all these little plays here. But yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. You can join the VIP chat. You can look in the games page, see what we do here. And yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. See, we ended up catching a couple decent entries just yesterday. You can see those charts to back, you know, some of the trades up. Obviously, I didn't post the SPY one, but yeah, one trade hits, cool. If one trade doesn't hit, that's fine. But yes, everything's in the link in the bio, the free chat, the VIP. Honestly, if you want to just join the free chat, you can. But yeah, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second here, and we'll go over all these other place as well. So yeah, one second. I shall be right back here. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so let's see. All right, so we got to go over what, AOK. So AOK, we'll go over that, and we'll go over NVDA really quickly too as well. I do want to go over this. Looks like that play ended up hitting. Obviously, looks like a little after hours, but anyways, we'll go ahead and get rid of this. Let's see here. Said join the VIP. We got a solid community. Yo, Act, what's up, bro? Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's literally not just me. We also do have a nice team as well, so it's not just me looking for these entries. Obviously, yeah, I'll have my own entries that I pose that I will be taking, but there'll be times where, so I think, yeah, NVIDIA, this was a play that Rug found. This was what, 2 days ago? Yesterday? No, 2 days ago. But yeah, we end up getting in. We have a, nice little play. Thanks, Lee, another home run. Shout out to the team. Shout out to, all the other members too as well. So, all right. So yeah, let's get this off my screen and then we'll go ahead and start. So 1 second here. Oh, let's see. Let's get this off my screen since it always loves to pop in. So, yo, Lissa, what's up? Yeah, my bad. I didn't go over that yet, so we'll definitely do it. So I'll go ahead and pull it up as of right now. So what, CRWV? Cool. So AOK, I will be honest. Yeah, we had this nice clear gap down, no consolidation. We end up getting a nice break above. So, I know, I didn't enter into this one. Looks like if I did, I would have had to get tapped out and found a re-entry. As you can see, we end up getting a nice break back up. We tapped into that first TP, that 63.13. So this is that first take profit. This is where price can end up rejecting. We ended up rejecting. And we ended up dropping way back down. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's look at another time frame. 24-hour possibly. Okay. 24-hour, don't really see anything, or the weekly time frame, don't really see anything that I like. Let's see here. So since that play already hit, what I can see is this. Okay, so I got it. So I had to just look a little bit further. So yeah, right now, what I'm seeing is this. So we got this nice top bottom all there. We get this nice break under. I don't see any resistance down into this red candle. So basically what I seen first was this empty space, and then had that nice, or if we get that nice little break, I don't think there's anything else stopping us. Yeah, down to that 48.55 area, down to that 46.69. So that's what I'm seeing to that downside there. So that is on A-OK. Doesn't look too bad there. All right, so we'll keep on going here. Let's see. So CRWV. Okay, let's take a look here. Yo, just me. Thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so end up having that nice little break. Let's see. All right, hold on. I'm looking at the other charts, looking at the other chats really quickly. All right, so CRWV. Okay, so we had this clear push up as well. Let's go down to a 1 hour possibly. Let's see here. So as of right now, let's take a look on this. So yeah, this is on a little 1 hour chart. Personally, I will say, so this isn't like the best wall that I can see here, but I still wouldn't mind it. We have a top bottom wall here. Personally, if we can get rid of all this, or get breakouts out all this consolidation, it doesn't look bad. Or that 134 area down to this 123.70. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So boom. Want to see that 134.63 break, which doesn't look too terrible there. All right. All right. Cool. So that's there. All right, cool. So that's on CRWV. Okay, we did A-OK. We got to do video. So pretty much the same thing here, I will say. So we still have this gap here, right? We already touched my inbalance. So that imbalance is already pretty much touched. Personally, I probably won't touch this play here today. But yeah, what I can still see is, hold on, we still got a little bit of empty space that is under us. So that's if we do want to finish this move here. So I'm just going to create my original box. But do want to see if we can at least break under this 184 area. So this was basically my original box here. So as long as we can somehow retest on this 185.60, we could end up targeting back into this empty space and finishing this move. And then yeah, I do want to see that 184.30, and then that 182.79. So that's what I'm seeing there. Personally, I won't touch it unless we get some clear movement. So yeah, we shall see. All right, so that's on NVDA. Let's take a look. So Wolf, okay, AI and Shop, okay, AI, and then Shop, okay, and then AVGO, perfect. All right. Actually, yeah, that doesn't look too bad either. I literally just, okay, got it. So yeah, I'm doing really good this week, guys. I want to let you know I haven't lost my pen all week this week. So we've been doing good. All right, so let's take a look here. So let's look at AI first. I'll be honest. Let's take a look. 24 hour. So I'm still waiting on this. I still like it a lot. I haven't changed my mind about it. I'm still not going to change my mind at all about this. What I can easily see is, you know, yeah, we still got this empty space, right? So right above us, we still got this empty space. I will say, yeah, I still want this 1874 break. As you can see, we could not get a nice break at all. So there's just nothing for me to do except for just to wait. But yeah, if we can get this 1874 break into this upside, it looks good. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm looking for, which doesn't look too bad. So that's on there. Wolf, or not Wolf, but Shopify on a... Ooh, actually. So you wanted that... Yo, OG, what's up? Yeah, no worries. We'll take a look at Nike too as well. So Shopify... Okay, so shop. Oh, give me a second here. Okay, I will say, yeah, shop on that 30-minute does look a lot better for sure. Top, bottom, all there. We would need to clear all that consolidation in order for me to tap into this empty space below us. First, I will try down to that 141. So yeah, that looks really good. As of right now, yeah, we're still in that range. We're still inside of this consolidation. So got to be very careful. Nothing that I would end up taking as of this second, since we still are inside that box there. All right. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So what? AMZ into as well. Yeah, I do got to go over that. And AVGO, we did AI. Okay. So let's go ahead. So there was a what? I'll be honest, there was this 4 hour that I'm looking at. I don't think we'll get that as of this second. What I can see though, let's see, maybe on this 1 hour. I'll be honest, I like the 1 hour a little bit better. So the 1 hour also, you could, you know, do a lower time frame, 30-minute too as well. But I personally like this 1 hour. What I can see here is, yeah, you know, got a nice box here. Little area of consolidation that would need to be broken. So yeah, a lot of these trades are still in this consolidation zone. So want to see some sort of movement. If we can, you know, I'll be a happy camper. Do want to see some sort of clean break. Or if we can, you know, reclaim this floor here. So I do want to see some type of floor reclaimed before I do anything. And yes, the main objective here today on this one is this empty space. So that's what I'm seeing there, which honestly doesn't look bad. All right, so AVGO, we'll take a look here. Honestly, AVGO doesn't look too bad. So yeah. So yeah, we got this nice little POTTERBOX here. Nice top wall, nice bottom wall there. Looks like we're having trouble getting above this 331. So we can do that too as well. We got it up to this 336. So that's what I'm seeing, which doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look too bad at all. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. That is on AVGO. We got this nice little clear gap down. So just like all of the trades that we end up taking. And there will be trades that I call out. So what? Yesterday, I called this trade out right before, right at market open, or right before market open. We end up getting in. So some trades may take no time at all. Some trades, like Tesla, this one took literally all day. Before the app, this literally took all day. You could see, it took all morning, but we did it. And yes, you can see what one member did there. You could see for that Q's play that we ended up having, what ended up happening there. And yeah, that SPY play that ended up happening, that we ended up getting into. So this was the SPY play here. I called it out at what, 30 minutes after market open. This play did not happen until the end of the day. So that play didn't happen until this, literally what, the end of the day. And that final TP ended up hitting, and it went even further than that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait today. Gonna see how everything plays out. I'm gonna see what we're gonna do. Or I already know what I like, but we'll see how everything plays out. All right, RVN, QQQ. I don't really want to touch this hot mess right now, just because I don't like it as of this second. So I do want to see some sort of little move there. All right, RIVN, let's take a look here. We shall see, yeah. Okay, I got it. I do like the 4 hour. Let's go down to a lower time frame so we can break this down. I do see that we do got a little bit of upside, and I get it. This upside isn't much. This isn't a lot. Looks like we got a nice top, bottom all here. Get that nice break. We got empty space, which is above that 1470 area. So I get it. This is only a 20-cent move. This is nothing too wild. I will say though, we do have, so get this nice break under this wall there. We could end up seeing that 1439, but that's just not what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm saying here. If it'll load. There's also this. So there's a nice little move here. Beautiful top, beautiful bottom all there. And yeah, what I can see is, yeah, we got that nice little break, or if we can at least. Would love to see that 13, 18 area. So that's just what I'm seeing there. As of right now, yeah, this one looks like we're in just a little bit of range. So we'll see how that wants to play out for today. But yeah, upside, I would say if I wanted to take this full move up. So, I mean, I definitely could. But I would just have to tweak this box here. Honestly, I would let it build a little bit more area of consolidation, but there is still a nice little move if we can break outside of that consolidation. So this is on a little 2 hour there. That's what I'm seeing. Looks really good. So that's pretty much it for that little play there. All right, yeah, CRWV, yo, Francisco, what's up, man? So CRWV, yeah. So yeah, I think we went over it, but yeah, no worries. We'll go over it again. So yeah, right now we're still same exact thing. We're still inside of this box here. Area of consolidation, looking for a nice break outside of consolidation to go into this empty space. So that looks really good. We shall see how everything plays out, which doesn't look bad. So coin, okay. So yeah, coin. All right. Oh, one second. All right. Yeah, let's turn this twerking song off since it's not time to do that. I don't think it's ever time to do that either. All right. So for coin, yeah. I mean, we are right at our top wall, right? So we would need a nice. Honestly, I could take some seller's control here, but I want to see a nice break outside of this 346. Into this empty space above us. So that's what I'm seeing there as well. So yeah, we're almost there. We just got to get that nice break. Meta too, let's take a look here. I haven't taken a look at meta. All right, so yeah, meta doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. All right, so there's a I do like this 2 hour though. So 2 hour, we got empty space. I'm actually going to use some U here. I'm going to take U. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing also. That is right there. That's if we can get that little entry there. So yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. As of right now, yeah, looks like a lot of these trades are inside of. Oh, I did not mean to do that on a 3 hour, but 1 second here. It looks like I got to do something for TikTok, and I'm working on getting my stream back, guys. So my stream should be all right soon. So yeah, it looks like we could end up targeting to this downside there. We shall see how that plays out. Looks like we're already pretty much there, but honestly do want to see if we can stay under. So that's just what I'm seeing there. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. And yeah, just like all our plays, we have the same exact entry, same exact plays, guys and gals. But yeah, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So yeah, you can see what we do here. Honestly, if you want to join, links in the bio. You can have the free chat or the VIP chat. But yeah, you can scroll through, see what we do here. And yeah, if one trade works, cool. If one trade doesn't work, I'll stop out. That's fine. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I'll either see you inside of the Discord or I'll see you in my next live stream. So yes, have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.